Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about layer number 5. That name is session layer. This is layer number 5. Now in our last videos, we have discussed that data flow from application to presentation and data flow from presentation layer. So data is in the standard format. In application, it is in the port number. In presentation layer, we have encryption and decryption. So now at session layer, when data comes from presentation layer, the session layer is basically used to responsible establishing, maintaining and terminating the session. Like for example, you are using any Gmail session. So when you start that session, and after that when you are maintaining that session, and when you log out your session. So this layer is responsible for each and everything tracked by your Gmail account. So like from Gmail, Yahoo, all the things are same because this is used for session. And in session layer, there are session ID that is working at session layer. Now I'm going to give an example of session layer, remote procedural call. Now you are doing any remote procedural call with your friend, with your relative or with your colleague. I'm taking a simple example with your WhatsApp call. WhatsApp call is also belongs to session because when you start the call and when you are talking to your friends and when your session is end, that belongs to remote procedural call. And in database language, SQL, structure query language, which is used for the data structure. In session ID is also used in that. SQL language in database, there is also a session is created. And we are discussing about networking. Then in network file system, when your two systems are shared with each other, when you have used one system, A and B system, okay, I'm going to give example. In network file system, two systems are connected with each other, A and B, and A has shared one file with B, and there is a session ID in this. Like we can share according to our time. When the cable is connected to APC, then B is able to see the file. When I off the sharing process, B is not able to see the file. So session is actually like I'm going to provide you one session. I'm letting you know about OSI model in this video, and this is also known as a session, like when it is establishes how I am maintaining this session and how it will terminate. So these three layers, application, presentation and sessions, are not directly connected with hardware device. That's why they are known as software layer. Now in our next video, you are going to discuss about awesome concepts of transport layer, because that layer is used for end-to-end delivery. So happy to learn. Thank you so much.